In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create forms in ClickUp. So first of all, if you have not yet created your ClickUp account, then you can do that through the link in the description and you can get started completely for free forever without needing to add any payment details. So click on the link in the description and click get started, and here simply enter your work email. Then here enter your full name, choose a password and check this box, and then click on play with ClickUp, or you can continue with Google. Then they will ask what would you like to use ClickUp for, so just follow these steps right here. So in order to create a form, just go to the project that you want to create it for. So you can also create a new one if you want, but for this example I'll just take project 2 right here. Then click on these 3 dots. Now here you want to go and click on create new, and then here click on form. Now after doing that, you will be taken right here. Now from here you can create a form from scratch. You can collect feedback, do a project intake, IT request, job application, or an order form. I'll go with job application, and then here you can go and customize these questions and just choose how you want it to look. And then over in the right here you can also choose your primary colors and stuff like that. So then once you're happy with it, you can just click on active right here, and now it's active. And now if I copy this link and open this up, you will see now I have this job application form where people can add their name, provide a cover letter and attach their resume, and then click submit. Then once they submit it, you will be able to see it right here. It will say the amount of responses, and if you click on it, you will see all of those responses right there. Now of course you can also add other questions if you would like. So if you would like to edit it later, all you need to do is click on the editing section right here, and then from here you can also add more fields, more questions and stuff like that. So now you know how to create forms in ClickUp. Now again, if you want to get started with ClickUp for free forever without needing to enter any payment details, simply click on the link down in the description. If this ClickUp form tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.